Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by FII And the global cues were good and US markets were higher yesterday, closed at the record high. But however, US futures were lower. But even in the afternoon when the European market opened, and the European markets were trading in green. But here we have a big local problem. The FIIs just want to keep on selling. And today, see what happened. From morning 9:15 until 1:30, markets were trading all right. And suddenly, exactly at 1:30, there was a huge volatility. And Nifty shot up 40-50 points and then immediately went more than 100 points down. And Bank Nifty suddenly shot up 200 points and then within few minutes it fell another 350 points. It's such a huge volatility was created. And those who are trading intraday with a stop loss on both sides, probably within these few minutes their stop loss would have been hit. And finally, the Nifty just down by 30-40 points only, but today's entire fall has come from Bajaj twins and HDFC twins. HDFC Bank, HDFC, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. And it was evident when FIIs keep on selling, HDFC stocks will be usually down. And today it was just HDFC Bank, HDFC, Kotak Bank, so these are the index heavyweights. The market was down. Other than that, the broader market was good. Though Nifty and Bank Nifty closed in red and mid cap and small cap indices were significantly higher today. So it looks as if, FIIs are doing a concentrated selling, which means that they are selling in select few stocks. But despite that, today Reliance has helped the market to recover towards the end of the day. So Reliance also fell in the morning, but it has recovered. So our markets are still having this big problem of FII selling. Today, at the end of the day, FIIs have sold 2,445 crore. And every day they are selling. Last 1 month, in the month of October, they have sold for 25,000 crore. In the month of November again, in every trading session, they have been sellers. And in fact, today's selling is the highest in the month of November, close to 2,500 crore. So taking the total selling since the beginning of October to more than 28,000 crore. Of course, the domestic institutions have bought to stabilize the market, but they bought only about 1,417 crores. So if you look at the open interest, today I found something very interesting which I have to share with you. 18,100, 18,150, 18,200, all the call options people have sold heavily. So does it mean that the people are bearish? Actually, no. They are bearish for the very short term and they are bullish for the medium term. That is why today I found that people were selling heavily in 18,000 put option and 17,500 put option in the December series. Because now we have only another 2 more weeks, 11, 12 trading sessions for this month. So the people are started selling in the month of December. So they have sold aggressively 18,000 put option and 17,500 put option. And to hedge it, they are selling the weekly call options because they are bearish in the very short term. So 18,200 call option has the highest open interest seen today. So logically that is going to be a stiff resistance for this weekly expiry. We have only 2 more trading sessions for this week. And support, as I stated already, it is around 17,900. So the markets were so volatile, especially after 130, but despite that, close to close basis, the things were not bad. And the only worry for the index is the index heavyweights, HDFC Bank and HDFC. But don't know why HDFC went shot up more than 3% yesterday, crossed 3,000 rupees, and today it has fallen so much. So as long as this FII selling continues, so these stocks, HDFC Bank, HDFC, may be under pressure, because like these are the FII favorite stocks. So the only thing we can do, keep selling call options in those stocks. So that's what we can do. So, and today another stock, interesting one, is the Adani Enterprise. Last week its results came, it fell 10% on that day because the people said the results are not good, and fallen more than 10%, and it broke 1,400. And now in the next 1 week, from 1,400 it has gone to 1,650, 250 points. So another interesting stock is a Sun TV, which is under the trading ban, but despite that, so it has managed to close slightly higher. So US markets are slightly negative and FII selling continues. So I think in the short term, the hopes are little for a rally, but however, and the medium term to long term still intact. So why I'm saying this? Because though Nifty fell, though Bank Nifty fell, the India VIX is also falling for the last few days. So when India VIX is falling, which means that the selling may stop at somewhere else. So the fear is not there on the downside. So the people still selling the put option. So let us see what happens tonight in US markets and tomorrow morning to SGX Nifty. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.